thanks for watching. Today I just want to talk about the difference in the LG 40 and PT31 consumable size. So we've got the old big ones and the little ones, and I'll just show you what I use them for, because they are quite different. Have a look at the video, guys, see what you think. Cheers. Right, guys, so we're just looking at these. This is this nickel plated PT31 electrode or LG 40, it's the same sort of thing. So there's the smaller one there, and there's the extended, as they call the extended version there. But they're exactly the same, whether they're copper or they're nickel plated. Doesn't really make much of a difference. So here we have the copper ones. You see, we've got the extended one here and the standard one here. And I always wondered what the difference was, but I'll tell you what the difference is and what I use them for. Basically, is if you're cutting flat plate like so, I prefer the shorter ones, for the simple reason that you seem to get more control over them. And also it doesn't matter whether you're using mixing matches your copper and your nickel plated. It doesn't really make much of a muchness. I use them both either way. So we assemble that like so. Yeah, I'll bring it up a bit so you can see it. Put the old shield on like so. See how that only sticks out a minute amount here? See, the distance here is really quite small. So what I use these for is just cut flat plate, because I cut quite a bit of flat plate. So if you're using this and you're cutting flat plate, you know, it's no drama at all. Doesn't matter, because you've got doesn't matter what the distance is there. You see, you've got plenty, and as long as you're cutting flat, and I think they give you a bit more control because you haven't got so much sticking out, if you know what I mean. It just gives you a bit more control over your torch. So I use these for flat plate, but you can't use these for cutting something like this, for example. So if I want to come in down here and I want to go at the angle down here, see, this is quite a shallow angle. So if you note there, it might just do it, but you can't get it hard enough in there to cut the back of this, because you're restricted by the edges here. So you're hitting this edge and you're hitting that edge with the shield, cutting that, you see. So if you're doing a lot of body work or something on a car and you need to get in behind things and everything else, these are useless. These are useless because you just can't get into spaces. So what we'll do is I'll show you. I'll change that out. Change that out for the extended version. So we'll do the extended version on there. And once again, that's the same ceramics fit on both, so there's no issue with the ceramics. So you put that on there, and then we screw the top back on, the cap back on. And then we get the same piece of steel like so, and then we put it in there. And can you see what I mean? See how you got a lot, you can push that right in there now. You're going to be able to cut right through the back, and even if you're on a sharper angle, you can go that way. You got heaps more room. Whereas before, you're restricted because you're hitting your shield on your steel. So like I say, if you're doing body work, or you need to cut around corners, or you're trying to hang upside down underneath a car like I do and get the thing right into a corner, you can't do it if you're using these, because it just doesn't give you enough angle. It doesn't give you enough sharp enough angle to cut the thing. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. But yeah, that's the difference. And yeah, the two difference in styles. That's what I do anyway, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, click up the top there and subscribe. I'd love you to subscribe. Drop a comment down below if you've got any comments and some tips and tricks for me. I might be able to make a video of it and show you guys online from your own ideas. That would be really awesome. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you need some consumables and stuff, I'll put some links down the bottom. And yeah, you know the rules. Thank you, guys. Hi guys, hope you learned something about the two different sizes of consumables. So that's what I use them for anyway. If you like my videos, hit the subscribe button, or leave a comment down below if you've got any ideas and tips and tricks of your own. I would certainly be glad to hear that. I'll leave a link down below as well if you want to buy some of these consumables. And until next time, guys, thank you.